You know, spice up your life with a little Audrina, child, because I mean, shawty is giving.
Let's go back to that dream state where you once were mine. Energy to find sunlight personified. Wishing I was there free to this all the time.
Hey y'all, it's Candace Marie and I'm back again with another video. If you're a returning subscriber, hey. If you're new, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So y'all, as y'all can see from the title, I have the Outre melted hairline in the style Audrina. I got this for only $35 from wigtypes.com. Y'all know I'm gonna link the website down below and some other sources as well, just in case it's sold out on Wigtypes. Okay, y'all, here are some of the specs of the unit. It comes with soft HD transparent lace. It comes with a 5-inch deep parting space. We love that for us. It has a completely pre-plucked hairline with sideburns, and it also has natural baby hairs that come with it too. To my surprise, this unit came with a pre-attached wide elastic band for a secure fit. Y'all, I really love that about it. Child, last time I reviewed a wig, they did not have this, okay? So it comes with the 2 combs in the back, adjustable straps, and the comb in the back as well. So that's what I'm used to. But that elastic band just changed the game, honey. So right here, I'm just putting on my wig grip. I got this from Amazon. It's super good quality. I will link it down below. Save Your Edges 2021. I really love wearing wig grips for that secure fit because I don't like to wear the combs anymore because they just, you know, kind of got a little uncomfortable. So we got our wig grip and now I'm just securing the wig onto my head. And as y'all can see, once I flipped that hair up, child, it was love at first sight. I mean, look at this reaction, y'all. Look at this. Hey, get it. Get it. Yeah, I'm just super happy because my first wig of January worked out and it's cute. So I'm just going to speed up these next few clips so that you can see how I style the unit a little bit more. This is actually heat safe up to 400 degrees. So I went in with my plug-in hot comb. I'll also link that down below because I got that from Amazon too. And I went in with some concealer. So I would say this is a super easy unit to customize. It's not much you got to do other than cut the lace, pluck out a few hairs in the front to open up that part a little bit, and then you are good to go.
Got that gas.
6 chill, fool, for real, for real.
Y'all, today I got a treat for y'all. Okay, I got a treat. I mean, I got the tea, I got the sugar, I got the honey, all that, okay? Because baby. So y'all, as you can see from the title, I got a wig review for y'all. I got not one color but 2 colors in the Outre melted hairline lace front wig in the style Audrina. Baby girl, Audrina did not come to play. Honey child, what's going on? Okay, so this color is in DRFF chocolate truffle. It has a frontal effect hairline, no plucking required. So y'all, I done been out the wig game for a while and I'm just shooketh at how far synthetic wigs had came in just a year. Like, we was in a whole pandemic and baby, they was laying the faux lace, the HD lace, the melted hairline, all of that. All right, y'all, so if y'all can already tell by the reaction in the video where I was, you know, putting it on, baby, I'm loving her. We love her. We love her over here, okay? Like, Audrina did not come to play. This is giving very much like boss lady realness, but you know, she like to keep it cute. Baby, I wouldn't have no problem turning on my Zoom camera if I had this wig on, okay? We not even gonna play with it, okay? Because she didn't come to play with us. So one thing I really like about this unit is, of course, the length and the curls. I mean, effortless. You can see they're all bunched together. I personally love this look. I don't know about the rest of y'all, but I love it a lot. The parting space, y'all, can we get into this parting space? Does it even say how long it is? But I want to say that's probably a good 5-6 inches if I had to give or take. Maybe it's 3. Inch your thumb like an inch. 1, 2, 3. So maybe it's a 4-inch parting space, but I mean, baby goes back there. So very natural looking. I do like that. And I don't know if y'all could see when I was showing you the close-up of the lace in the front, but the sides are plucked very, very well. For the purposes of this video, and because I am doing 2 colors, I didn't glue this unit down, but I mean, if you were to glue it down, you really wouldn't have like any problems with just the hairline being too thick. I'm gonna be sad to take this off at the end of the night, but I mean, it's super soft. Like, oh my gosh, I would say it's between a silky and a yucky texture. It's not as silky as you just gonna have flyaways waving like some palm trees, but I mean, it is you can kind of see them. I don't know if you could see them in the camera like that, but they are like, you know, I went in with some hairspray to kind of tame them or whatever, and I was able to tame the top pretty good. So I do like this unit a lot. I love this color, and I'm kind of sad I was sleeping on synthetic wigs, y'all. Like, this is the bomb diggity. Look at that color. It's like more blonde in the front, and then you have more of the blend in the back. Like, that is fly, okay? That is fly. I don't know. If this was black, it would definitely give me Michelle Obama vibes. Like, that's what I'm getting, because you know Shawty would always have her wig split, okay? But this mug is, I'm living for it. So as you can see, like, not getting any tangling or shedding, but I did get some tangling, so I don't know if that was due to it being in the box or the packaging for so long. But when I first ran that comb through, y'all seen it in the video, it was a little much, but now it's like, you know, so good. Let's see it from the back. But I love it pulled to the front. So this is like a very natural length, and that's another thing that I love about it. I would say this is like 16 inch on me. Yeah, because 18 kind of comes a little bit lower. But yes, as you can see, Shawty is giving, it's serving body yaddy yaddy, okay? Body yaddy. All right, don't play with her. Don't play with Audrina. I love the fact that it comes with a pre-attached elastic band. Like, I'm wearing my wig grip with this, but I probably wouldn't even have to wear my wig grip, and that's why it's so easily able to be worn glueless, because baby, this is stuck on my head. It's not going nowhere. Okay, so you can do all the chew your baby out all you want to in this wig, okay, and still look good, because it's not going anywhere. It's not going. Baby, she's staying, okay? Audrina's staying. She's not going anywhere. It's her party now. But I really do love that. I mean, that's just the icing on the cake. Why didn't y'all tell nobody? Y'all ain't call me. Y'all ain't say nothing about these synthetic wigs coming with whole elastic bands pre-attached. Like, I love it. So my head is 23 inches. So I'm on the larger side, and it fits perfectly. I mean, I'm really glad I redid my braids, but yeah, it fits perfectly, very snug. I don't have any problems with the fit or anything like that, so love that. I'm really trying to come up with a con, to be honest. Like, the only con I had was when it was tangling in the beginning, but other than that, I don't have really any cons. We like Audrina over here. She can stay as long as she wants to, and baby, I will link her down below so you can get her too, because I might have to get her a 1B if we coming like this. Like I got two mirrors right here, the camera, and I just can't. Woo! This is real cute. All right, y'all, so this wig was so fire that I had to get in 2 colors. So the color you are seeing now is DR2 Cinnamon Spice, and baby, she is giving me life. She is fire, okay? I really love this unit. I'm so glad I got it in 2 colors, baby, because the darker root going into like this red copper color, I mean, this is so freaking cute. Like, you know, you ain't gotta always do the blondes and the blacks. Definitely something that you could make a statement with, and I just really love it. Like, y'all, I don't know what else to say, but Outre, y'all did it with this one. I really love it. I don't know how many times I can say it, but if you are someone who just, you know, want to spice up the wig game just a little bit, but you don't want to have to do too much to your wig, then baby, Audrina is where it's at. Like, all I'm missing is a 1B, and it would be complete. Like, all right, y'all, so if y'all haven't came to terms with it yet, I give this wig a 10 out of 10. I mean, I don't have any cons. I'm so happy I decided to review this one. It was super easy. It probably took me maybe 10 minutes to style. Just did some heat at the top, concealer down the middle, and if you want to go even further, because the lace was super light, then you could go in with a lace tint. I can link one down below, maybe to Amazon or something like that. But child, easy peasy. Go ahead and slay on the Zoom calls, y'all. I mean, go ahead and get her. I don't know what else to say. Thank y'all so much for watching. Let me know down below which one you like the best. Was it the blonde one, or was it this red one right here? I don't know, y'all. It's kind of hard for me to decide. I would probably pick the blonde because that's what I'm used to, but I mean, this red is really doing it for me right now. But let me know down below. I'm gonna let y'all choose, because child, I cannot choose. But as always, thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.
So let's go back to that dream, stay where you once were mine.